this drum pattern, we're going to be playing a half note on the first beat and 2 quarter notes on the third and fourth beat. We're also going to be using 3 chords today: our G chord, our F chord, and our C chord. We're going to be strumming down. I'm using the nail on my index finger, kind of alternating between my thumb as well. You can use whichever finger is most comfortable for you, or a pick if that works better for you. So let's try this with open strings, no chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's try it with our G chord, and our G chord sounds like this. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, moving on to our F chord, which sounds like this. We're going to do that same strum pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and now let's try it with our C chord, which sounds like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's try combining those chords to make a beautiful chord progression. We're going to play our G, our F, our C. I'm going to wrap it right back to G. All right, let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it for this lesson.